Unraveling, Veto Consideration, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in political and decision-making contexts: veto consideration. It's a phrase that might seem complex at first, but with a bit of exploration, you'll find it's a powerful concept to understand and use. So, let's get started and demystify what it really means to veto consideration. Veto consideration combines two key words, veto and consideration. To truly grasp the phrase's meaning, we need to understand each component. Veto is a term borrowed from Latin, meaning I forbid. It refers to the power to unilaterally stop an official action, especially the enactment of legislation. A veto is often used by a person in a position of power, like a president or a governor. Consideration, in this context, refers to the process of thinking carefully about something, often before making a decision. When we combine these two, veto consideration involves the power to stop a proposal, plan, or decision from being accepted or implemented before it even gets fully discussed or decided upon. The phrase, veto consideration, is most commonly used in governmental and organizational settings. Here, it signifies the ability of an individual or a body to prevent a matter from being considered or discussed further. This can happen for several reasons. 1. The matter is deemed inappropriate or irrelevant. 2. There are concerns about the potential consequences of the proposal. 3. It contradicts existing rules, regulations, or policies. For instance, in a legislative context, a government official might veto consideration of a bill if they believe it's against the public interest. Similarly, in a company meeting, a leader might veto consideration of a new policy proposal if it's seen as harmful to the company's goals. Understanding the phrase, veto consideration, is crucial for several reasons. It highlights the checks and balances in decision-making processes, ensuring that not all proposals reach the final stage without thorough scrutiny. It empowers individuals to question and evaluate the validity and implications of decisions being made. It fosters a culture of accountability, where decisions must be justified and aligned with the overarching goals and values of the organization or society. We hope this exploration of veto consideration has illuminated its meaning and importance in both political and organizational contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and enhances your comprehension of complex decision-making processes. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more intriguing aspects of the English language together. Stay curious, and keep learning.